What if I told you there's a simple formula that can make any girl crave your attention? Sounds unbelievable, right? But trust me, it's easier than you think. In today's video, we're going to reveal powerful signs that will make you stand out and captivate her in ways you never imagined. These signs aren't just random tips. They're proven techniques that work, starting from the basics and building up to the most effective ways to truly get her hooked. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to become the kind of person who exudes irresistible charm without even trying. Whether you're looking to increase your confidence or make a lasting impression, we've got you covered. So stick around, and by the time you reach the final sign, you'll be armed with the tools to make anyone feel drawn to you. If you're ready to transform the way you connect with people, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's get started. Number 15. The Charisma Code. Charisma is often viewed as a rare gift, but the truth is, it's something anyone can develop. People with high charisma seem to have a natural pull, an invisible force that draws others to them. To master this code, it's about how you project yourself to others. Charismatic people maintain strong body language, stand tall, and make intentional eye contact. This doesn't just show confidence, it also signals that you are someone worth paying attention to. The way you speak matters too. Your voice should be steady, calm, and clear. Don't rush or mumble. Most importantly, listening is a powerful tool. Charismatic individuals don't dominate conversations. They listen intently and respond thoughtfully, making others feel heard and valued. When you embrace these small yet significant traits, your presence alone will make you magnetic. In social settings, people will naturally be drawn to you, feeling that you have a certain something that everyone else lacks. As you start applying this charisma code, you'll notice people becoming more engaged with you, their interest piqued by the genuine energy you bring into any room. Number 14. Magnetic presence. What is magnetic presence? It's an energy that surrounds you, a force that makes others want to be close to you, both emotionally and physically. Your presence is an extension of your confidence and self-assuredness. The first step to mastering this presence is understanding that it's not just about being loud or outgoing. It's about being authentic and grounded. When you walk into a room, people should feel like they just met someone important, even if they don't know you yet. Magnetic presence comes from the way you carry yourself, the way you communicate without words. It's about owning the space you're in, regardless of the setting. When you move with purpose, when you speak with intention, others can't help but notice. One of the easiest ways to enhance your presence is by maintaining eye contact. People feel more connected when you look at them directly, and it makes you appear more confident. However, don't overdo it. Staring can feel intimidating, but steady and genuine eye contact will draw people in. Another part of magnetic presence is showing warmth. Smile, not just with your mouth, but with your eyes. Warmth makes people feel comfortable around you, and that comfort translates into attraction. Number 13. Irresistible influence. Influence is the ability to change or guide someone's thoughts and decisions without force. The key to becoming irresistibly influential is learning how to make others feel important. People are naturally drawn to those who can make them feel understood, valued, and appreciated. A simple compliment, a gesture of kindness, or even just listening attentively can create a bond that leaves a lasting impression. Your influence also grows when you understand how to communicate effectively. Speak clearly, with purpose, and always focus on building rapport. When you engage with people, ask questions that make them think, but don't bombard them. Instead, engage in meaningful conversations that show you're genuinely interested in their thoughts and feelings. Over time, you'll learn how to guide the conversation, gently steering it in a direction where your ideas feel natural and aligned with what the other person wants or believes. This is when your influence becomes irresistible, when you can make people feel like following your lead is their own idea. Number 12. Crave-worthy confidence. Confidence is magnetic. It's one of the most attractive traits you can develop. But confidence isn't about being perfect or having all the answers. It's about being comfortable with who you are, flaws and all. When you're at ease with yourself, others will naturally gravitate towards you. Start by embracing your unique qualities. There's no need to fit into a mold or try to be someone else. Confidence shines when you stand tall in your individuality. Whether you're laughing at your own mistakes or talking about things you're passionate about, owning who you are will make others take notice. Another part of crave-worthy confidence is having the courage to take risks. People are attracted to individuals who aren't afraid to speak their minds, try new things, and take chances. The more you step outside of your comfort zone, the more confident you'll become. And the more you embrace confidence, the more people will crave your presence. Number 11. The attraction accelerator. This sign is all about speeding up the process of building attraction. While connection takes time, there are certain behaviors and actions that can dramatically increase the speed at which someone feels drawn to you. The key is to make a strong first impression. When you meet someone for the first time, the way you present yourself can make all the difference. Dressing well is a quick way to enhance attraction. How you look matters because it's the first thing people notice. You don't need to wear expensive clothes, but you should ensure that your clothing is neat, well-fitted, and appropriate for the occasion. Your grooming also plays a significant role. Simple things like fresh breath and clean nails go a long way in making people feel comfortable around you. The way you carry yourself also accelerates attraction. Walk with purpose, stand tall, and always maintain a calm, collected demeanor. When you're confident in your body language, others will be more likely to feel attracted to you almost immediately. Number 10. Magnetic mindset. The way you think directly influences how others perceive you. Having a magnetic mindset means adopting a positive and open attitude that draws people in. It's about having an inner sense of confidence that doesn't rely on external validation. People are attracted to individuals who believe in themselves, who exude optimism, and who remain grounded even in challenging situations. Start by shifting your focus from what you lack to what you have. A magnetic mindset is built on gratitude. The more grateful you are for the things in your life, the more positive energy you radiate, and the more others are drawn to that energy. Another crucial aspect of a magnetic mindset is self-belief. The more you believe in your own worth, the more others will see it in you. This mindset not only makes you more attractive, but also helps you maintain a strong sense of self-worth, regardless of external opinions. Number 9. The desire blueprint. Every person has desires. Some are obvious, some are subtle. The trick to building attraction is understanding the blueprint of what people truly want, and then embodying those qualities. This involves learning to read people and identifying their needs and desires without them explicitly stating it. Some people desire attention, others seek security, and some simply want validation. The desire blueprint involves tapping into these needs and offering them something meaningful. If someone craves validation, for instance, compliment them sincerely. If they value emotional connection, engage with them on a deeper level. Understanding what others desire and giving it to them in an authentic way creates a bond that fosters attraction. Number 8. Charm hack. Charm is a skill that can be developed with a little practice. The charm hack is all about mastering the little things that make people feel comfortable and special around you. One of the most important aspects of charm is making others feel good about themselves. Compliment them, make them laugh, and engage them in conversations that make them feel heard. Being playful and lighthearted also plays a major role in charm. People are drawn to individuals who can make them feel at ease and who don't take themselves too seriously. Knowing how to balance charm with authenticity is key. Number 7. Power of persuasion. Persuasion is an art that involves guiding someone to see things from your perspective without pushing them. It's not about manipulation, but rather understanding how to present your ideas in a way that resonates with others. Persuasive people know how to communicate in a way that makes others feel like their ideas are aligned with your own. One of the most effective persuasive techniques is to listen carefully. When you listen intently to what someone says, you can craft your responses in a way that directly addresses their needs or concerns. People are more likely to follow someone who makes them feel understood and valued. Number 6. The secret spark. There's something magical about the spark that makes people feel instantly attracted to you. It's not just about physical appearance or charm. It's the energy you bring into a conversation or a room. The secret spark is the ability to connect with others on a deeper level, to make them feel alive, seen, and appreciated. To create that spark, it's essential to be genuinely interested in others. When you listen deeply, respond thoughtfully, and show genuine curiosity, People can't help but feel drawn to your energy. This spark is infectious. Once you have it, others will want to be around you. Number 5. Captivation technique. The captivation technique involves captivating someone's attention and holding it. This isn't about bombarding them with compliments or trying to impress them with exaggerated stories. It's about drawing them in with your authenticity, your confidence, and your ability to make them feel something. The technique starts with the basics: eye contact, a warm smile, and speaking with confidence. But to truly captivate someone, you must engage them emotionally. Speak to their interests, passions, and dreams. Share stories that resonate with them. When you connect on an emotional level, you captivate their attention and make them want more. Number 4. Seduction secret. Seduction is often misunderstood. It's not about playing games or using manipulation. True seduction is about creating a magnetic allure that draws others to you. It's about becoming someone others can't resist, not by force, but by being your most authentic self. To master the seduction secret, you need to cultivate self-assurance and mystery. People are often attracted to a sense of mystery. When they don't have all the answers, they're more intrigued. Seduction is about leaving a little to the imagination while being open enough to form a genuine connection. Number 3. Confidence catalyst. Confidence is the root of everything. It's the foundation on which all other signs are built. The confidence catalyst is the belief that you are worthy of attention, respect, and admiration. It's about trusting yourself and your abilities, even when facing uncertainty. To build this catalyst, focus on your strengths. Set goals, push yourself, and celebrate every little success. Confidence grows as you prove to yourself that you can achieve what you set out to do. The more you believe in yourself, the more others will be drawn to your energy. Number 2. Desire trigger. The desire trigger is all about creating an emotional response that makes someone want to be closer to you. People are driven by emotions, whether it's a deep connection, the thrill of excitement, or the feeling of security. To trigger desire, you need to understand what others want emotionally and respond to that need. Being emotionally available and understanding others' desires will make you more attractive. When someone feels that you genuinely care about them and understand their emotional needs, they'll naturally be drawn to you. Triggering desire is all about making people feel safe, understood, and valued. Number 1. Irresistible energy. Irresistible energy is the culmination of all the signs above. It's the way you show up in the world, with a sense of confidence, charm, and genuine warmth. When you walk into a room with this energy, everyone will notice. Your energy is magnetic because it's rooted in authenticity. People are drawn to those who are comfortable in their own skin, who radiate positivity, and who bring a sense of light into every space they enter. This energy comes from believing in yourself and your worth, which makes others believe in you too. So, now you know the steps to make any girl crave your attention and attraction. You've got the tools, the mindset, and the strategies to become someone who stands out in any crowd. But here's the thing, you won't see instant results if you don't apply these signs consistently. It's all about putting in the effort, practicing these techniques, and mastering them over time. The more you do, the more natural it becomes. And before you know it, people will be drawn to you without even trying. If you're serious about changing the way others perceive you and building stronger connections, now's the time to take action. Start applying these signs in your daily life and watch as the magic unfolds. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use this advice. Every time you like or share, you're helping others step up their game too. Keep practicing, keep learning, and stay confident. The power is in your hands. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.